Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect CG dropshipping to WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, we are going to follow the article from the CG dropshipping itself, and from there is a guide on how we can add WooCommerce to CG dropshipping. And basically, the first thing to do is to have already WooCommerce. And of course, you will be already having the WooCommerce plugin here. Now we will need to add our connector. And basically, we will need just to have the WordPress REST API plugin. So from the plugins here, we are just going to install the REST API server or authenticator. And from here, we are just going to search for REST API, and simply we will have the server for WordPress. And here we cannot find it, and let's just type the whole word, which is the WordPress REST API, and we can use any one from here. So it depends on your WordPress version, you might find this one exactly, or we can find only some other plugins. So in my case, I'm just going to add this one. I'm just going to click on install, and from here we can see the screenshot on how this is working. And basically, after we click install, we're going to activate it. And as you can see now, you will need to have to go to the settings and go to the permalinks and have your permalinks changed to post name. And from here, and simply we need just to go to settings, we go to permalinks and make sure it is as post name, and after that you can choose default as authorization method, and basically it is the one that we have. Now you will be needing to go to your authorization in CG dropshipping, and basically in your menu you will have authorization. After that you will be needing to click on WooCommerce, and then you can start to add in your store. Now you will be needing to add the site URL, which is your own uh, WooCommerce store, and then you will be needing just to add it, and it will be connected successfully, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.